What is up, Bougiful people? It has been a minute, but we are finally back with another new video. Figured I'd make this video just because we need an update on the YouTube, on the page, right? So this is it. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but I'm assuming it is what it is in the title. It is the Supreme North Face G-Shock. Only reason why is because I have a lot of orders coming in, but this is the only one that I know has batteries, because it has a warning label that there's batteries inside here. So that's the only thing I know that I ordered with batteries. If it's not, then obviously we're gonna have to change up the whole video. Let's get started. I'm just gonna show this side of the box, tamper evident tape. So I guess, you know, if you see any cuts or anything weird about it, that means it's been tampered with. Somebody's been opening the box. I will not show this side only because it has the you know, personal information. So I'm going to just get into it. We got the unboxing knife going. Again, I'm not too sure what this is, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, also because this is the weirdest drop, I did not get any confirmation email or shipping or anything. So I'll talk about that in a bit as I'm opening this. Here's the box. It's pretty light, so I'm assuming it is just the watch. All right, so ooh, yes it is. It's the only thing I got from Supreme. So let me put this down first. Oh shoot, something's in my eye. Yeah, okay, so regular packing paper just to secure. There it is, the infamous box logo sticker with every order. Nothing else in the box, so we're just gonna toss this on the side. And this is it. This is it right here, man. I'm pretty hyped for it now. So that was actually yeah, let's talk about the instrument. So I ordered the order and I did not get any emails or anything, man. So I'm thinking I just got through to the confirm page and that's it, nothing else, no update. So I was thinking, did I get ghosted? Did I get banned or something? So, you know, after like a couple days I just gave up. And then next thing you know, I looked at my bank statement and I got charged. So here it is. I'm pretty excited, man. Ooh, look at this. Again, nothing in the wrapping paper. Please check your wrapping papers, fam, because sometimes people just pack things and you know what I mean. But anyways, here it is. Woo! North Face Supreme G-Shock. That is why I'm excited. And it's crazy because the colorway that I have, well, not even just this colorway, they all actually sat for a hot minute on the website, which is weird because I thought this was going to be the most coveted drop of not even just, you know, that day. I thought the whole season, but this is it. The box around. I'm gonna get to that label in a bit. There it is, another one. North Face Supreme, no G-Shock, but check that out. If we need that for some reason. Oh yeah, that's the model to watch, DW6900 NS, whatever. But you know, yeah, pause it when you need to, if you need to, for some reason. But that it is what it is. Getting into it, I don't think we need a knife anymore, so I can just do this with my hands. Ooh, the box just opened beautifully. Dang. Yeah, boys, excited. Let's go. Nothing in the box, no instructions. I believe it's in here, so I'm gonna put this on the side right here. Don't want to throw that box away with the stuff I'm about to throw away. So here is the package, or the container it comes in. North Face Supreme. Usually get a G-Shock logo on the top. And again, North Face Supreme on the side. Bottom, just a code. Not too sure what the code is. All right, we're gonna open this. Gosh, dang, there's stuff inside. I'm just gonna open it like this. So here's the cover, cap, protection, you know, G-Shock, the instructions, and here it is. Yes, sir. Yellow. Okay, you know, on the website on the day that it dropped, yellow was the first to sell out, I believe 6 minutes after the actual drop time, so which is still surprising because I thought they would sell out instantly. Second will be black, and then white, and then throughout the days, the next few days after the drop, black and white kept restocking. So if you were lucky to get that, awesome, but the yellow did not restock. I'm gonna get into the colorways in a bit, but let me just take this out. Nice. I'll put this down to the side real quick. Check the rest of the container. You know, usual G-Shock container. More instructions. I think this is the warranty or something on. Yeah, or user's guide. So this is new. Instructions to use the band. I guess because this is a different band. It's not your regular rubber band. This is Velcro, I believe, in a tactical webbed kind of material. Again, back to the point with the colors, black, white did restock. I believe yellow only sold out because it is the most obvious, like, you know, obnoxious color, and that it's the most unusual one, so it does stand out and look like a collab compared to the white and black. The white and black look like regular G-Shocks that you could actually get and could pass as a Supreme collab just because it looks like a regular black and white G-Shock. The only thing is that it does have the special branding. So I'm gonna take these out first. So with the watch, the white one, of course, it's all white, and on the back, on the wrist strap, you get red instead of black. So yeah, you get red instead of black, so it'll be a red box logo with the red North Face and yeah, etc. And go so forth with the black. Black is all black, but you know, red box logo and stuff. But I wish they did red with this. That would have been crazy, a mix with yellow, black, and red, and it would have shown, you know, the Supreme logo more. But I mean, I'm still happy with it, but that would have been the piece of the cake. I think that would have made this sell out instantly, you know. But yeah, again, I feel like the white and black didn't sell out. If I had to go in order, yellow first, black, and then white. White only because it'll get dirty fast. Look at this material. All right, look at the material of the watch. Look at the material of the wristband. Okay, that's asking the, if you had it in white, fam, it's capable of getting dirty fast. And then black would come in second just because it's easy to rock, easy to wear, and yellow first just because, as I said, it does look like the most collab looking thing. It's unusual. It does look like the North Face color. But let's get into the watch real quick. So yeah, that is the band right here. You can see that material is like those, you know, what you get on a backpack when you tighten the straps. It's like that type of material, but thinner, you know. It is a G-Shock, so I'm pretty sure the quality is there for that. Again, with the North Face Supreme branding. You can see the band a little more clear on this side. Sorry, I don't know, man. My camera does not focus well. Looking at the face of the watch, look at this. You get G-Shock, you got North Face right at the top. No Supreme branding anywhere seen on the face of the watch, but I hope we can catch this. Boom, it does say Supreme right there. When you hit the light, let me just see if we can get that darkness. Ooh, this is gonna be a fail. Okay, there you go. I don't know. Yeah, you guys should see. You see it in the pictures, but you know what I mean. Only got brighter, but I'm still happy with it. Assuming with the Velcroing, or with the whole, how do you do this? With the whole putting this on, this does look a little difficult. Okay, so this side has the Velcro and Velcro, so that goes first, and once that's secured, you already got one strap on. Oh, I think you can remove this. Can you remove it, or is it sewed on? No, it's sewed on. Okay, I thought you could remove the yellow band, but I guess you can to an extent, but it is sewed on right here at the bottom, so it will not be removed. You just want the black and yellow, but I think the yellow is a good touch. Makes it stand out more. Yeah, back to the point. So you can unvelcro it a little bit, but then also when you put this part on, boom, that's it. Look at this. Okay, that's it. Wow, it's pretty simple actually. It looks a little more complicated than it actually is, but Velcro first, right, the yellow, and after that you can get the black part into the cuff adjuster. Boom, that's it. Look at that, and that's it. Oh, that's on the bottom? I thought it was on the top the whole time. What makes me sad though is that I honestly thought this was going to be on the top over here. That would have been killer. Like, this just made me kind of like, not even kind of, makes me sad, man. I don't even like it like that no more, because when you wear it, you can't even see it. Like, you know, let me just put it on and let me show y'all what I mean. So this is how it looks like on. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. I thought it was gonna be here. So this is how the watch looks like. This is straight up and down. This is upside down. I thought the logo was gonna be up here. I didn't know it was gonna be down here. I was totally, oof. So that kind of sucks, because when you're, you know, just doing your own thing, nobody can see it, man. Nobody can tell. Ooh, that's sad. I mean, you know, logos aside, it's a cool watch and it's really comfortable. Like, it's a nice band, but you're paying that extra, you know. You kind of, hey, don't lie, I know you kind of want to let people know, right? But yeah, so that's it for today. That's all I wanted to share with y'all, because it's a cool piece, man. Go ahead, leave a like and subscribe if it helped. If you enjoyed the video, please stay tuned. We're coming with more content soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed Thanksgiving, and the holidays are coming up. Yeah, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Okay, so update. I actually the band's removable, duh. I mean, but like, this is super simple removable. It takes about less than 5 minutes, or even 5 minutes, just to change the band. But look, the logos are at the top where I thought they should be, and they are where they should be. So you might want to fix your band if you're about that. Bothered me, but now I'm happy. I was bitching for nothing, I'm sorry. But leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want to know how to do this, go ahead, say it in the comments. I'll make a new video, make an instructional video. But trust me, if you know how to, like, you know, play around and stuff like that, you can just pull the band off, boom, it's easy for you. But look at that, that is fly. I'm so happy now, I'm happy. Hopefully this helps. Again, appreciate you guys, and stay tuned. We got more content coming soon. Peace. Also, may I say, this band is comfortable, man. It's phenomenal. It's actually really comfortable. It's nice. It's really nice. I gotta go.